Okay, I'm going to go over the Harbor Freight Edge 6, and I also installed the Edge 4s onto the fenders, and I did not use the Harbor Freight wiring harness because I wanted to wire into my Voss switch box, which inside the Jeep goes to these 6 switches down here. So when I did this, I wanted the 2 fender lights and the 2 bumper lights all to work at the same time. After doing that, I was blowing my fuse. So got the book out. Actually, I looked online first, but you got to check your high beam voltage or watt usage is 120, pretty close to 120 watts. So you divide your 120 divided by your voltage, which is 12, and you're getting on your front beams, you're using 10 amps per the front light on high. When you're running your 4s, you're definitely getting used less. I did the math. I don't remember the math. So I'm going to separate my fronts from my fenders, and they'll be on a different switch for high beams. Low beams, and they call them running lights, or the amber back lights. You can run all those on the same switch. Also, guys, pay attention to your switch panels, whatever you're using. Like, I have a 6 switch panel. It has 6 switches, but each one can do 30 amps. But you can't do 30 amps at the same time across the board. The max amperage you can pull on the switch box is 100 amps. Plus, you don't really want to push it to the max anyways. So my front ones will be on one switch. On the high beams will be on one switch, and they'll pull 20. And the back ones, they'll probably pull close to 15 amps, or not back ones, but the fender ones on high beams, they'll pull like 15 amps. So yeah, Harbor Freight had this listed on their website also, this chart. So just do your math first, which is what I should have done, and I did not do. So I will rewire this and get these front lights separated out, and then maybe I'll post another video of how they look. Thank you.